Hi all, and welcome to this week's Feature of the Week video. In this video, I'll be covering Naviate Accelerate's Quick Renumber feature. And there are two ways that you can utilize this feature. Now this is under our data field. Go ahead and click on Renumber. To renumber, you can either use a spline or you can go ahead and renumber by individually selecting the items. And so I'll go ahead and demonstrate both today. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and select the element type category that you want to go ahead and renumber. You'll want to specify what parameter you want to override, what current number you're at, and if you want to add any prefix or suffix. Now, keep in mind the spline needs to be running across all of the items that are going to be renumbered. So if you see with this preview here, it goes ahead and cuts through each and every single casework item that I want to renumber. Once you're ready to go ahead and click on the spline. When you click on the spline, it's going to read the spline, see which casework elements are the spline tool is passing through. You'll see them highlighted in pink on my screen, and you'll see the order. Here you can also go ahead and reverse the order if you wanted to. Once you're all set, go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to close out of here for a second. Now keep in mind that when I numbered these here at the bottom, it probably did not include the correct number as shown here. So I actually want to go ahead and utilize a different function. I can go ahead and go into quick renumber. And instead of using spline, I could use selecting objects. Again, I'll restart my current number. Start with the prefix. And then from here, you can just go ahead and start clicking. I want to change my prefix here. Make sure I'm back at 1. And we'll go ahead and start this line. And then the last line here. And you'll notice as I click, it is increasing in increments as I go ahead and click. And if I go ahead and click close, I'll go and double check. And now they have the correct mark number. So that was the quick renumber tool for Naviate Accelerate. And I hope this was informative.